Good morning to all of you. Today we will take another chapter, that is mensuration, and it is very interesting chapter. In your previous class, you have learned how to find the area of square, rectangle or parallelogram like that. Today we will extend this concept little bit more. We will try to find out the area of some more plane figures. Okay, and then later on we will talk about the area and the surface area of solid figures also. Solid figures means the cube, cuboid, cylinder which has its height, length and breadth. So we will talk about that also later on of the solid figure. Now, look here. If you will look, this has 4 sides. So it is in the shape of a quadrilateral. And this quadrilateral, if you will observe it carefully, this quadrilateral having these two lines as parallel to each other, and these two lines are not parallel to each other. So such a type of quadrilateral in which at least one pair should be parallel to each other, then this type of quadrilateral is called as trapezium. Clear? The other two sides can be parallel or it cannot be parallel. So it means if we will talk about the square or if we will talk about the rectangle, then they are also trapezium because it satisfies the condition of trapezium. Once again, in trapezium, the quadrilateral having one of the opposite pair should be parallel to each other. So this type of quadrilateral is called as trapezium. Now we will go little bit further for this. Suppose that, look here, I have named this quadrilateral as A, B, C and D. Again, this is a quadrilateral having vertices as A, B, C and D. This line, I have taken the distance between this, I have taken it as small a. And the distance between this CD, I have taken it as small b. We have named it. And the distance between these two parallel lines, you did this concept before also. The distance between these two parallel lines will always be the perpendicular distance. हम जब भी distance की बात करते हैं, it will always be perpendicular distance. So the distance between these two parallel lines means the perpendicular line. I have taken it as small h. So these two parallel lines as small a and small b, and the distance between these two parallel lines as small h. Now we will go for the trapezium concept. Okay. In first exercise, you have the concept or the concept which you will learn it of the area of trapezium. Okay, so again I am showing it. The area of this trapezium is half multiply sum of the parallel sides, means these two sides. Sum of these two sides. Okay, so sum of the parallel sides multiply this height, means this height, multiply h. Okay, so this is the area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium is half multiply sum of parallel sides, multiply height. So instead of writing it like this, since we have assumed it as A and B, so sum of the parallel sides we can write it as A plus B also, and the height we have taken it as h, so that is we will take it as height as small h. Okay, so let's come, we will go further for the worksheet. Now, from worksheet 1, question first, it is given that the parallel sides, according to the question, parallel sides are 33 and 57 centimeter. A parallel side, since we are taking this part as A and this is as B, तो जो parallel sides होगी, जो A होगा, that will be smaller. So out of these 33 is smaller, तो हमने उसे A मान लिया, and the B is, and the distance between these two parallel lines is given as 33 centimeter. Now the question is, you have to find out the area of the trapezium. So area of a trapezium, what is the formula? Half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Now we will try to put the values in this. Half sum of the parallel sides means substitute the value, multiply height, that is 13. Now solve it. Half, now it will become 90 into 13. अब इसको आप solve कीजिए. 45 multiply 13, whatever answer you will get it, that will come in centimeter square. Since you have to find out the area unit is always been in the power 2. Clear? In question 2, area of a trapezium given, one of the parallel side is given, and the perpendicular distance between parallel sides. Perpendicular distance between parallel side is this, height. दोनों parallel sides के बीच का distance. So that we have assumed it as height. So height is given. Now you have to find out the other parallel side. So again formula. Now whatever be there in the question, substitute all the values in the given formula. जहां जहां लिखा हुआ है उसके नीचे उसकी वैल्यू डालते जाएंगे. But remember, you have to see the units also, whether it is same or not. If it is not same, then you have to convert it. Area of trapezium, as I have told it, formula में जहां जोन सी वैल्यू दी हुई है, that you will write it. So 850. So you will write 850 here. 850 equal half. A is given 64. A 64 plus B you have to find out into H. H is given 70. Clear? So 850. Now how will you do it for the cross multiply? 850 multiply 2 and this 17 will go down, equal 64 plus B. ये आ जाएगा. अब क्या करेंगे आप? What will you do? Cancel it. It goes with 50 and 50 multiplied 2 equals 64 plus B. So it will come as 100, 64 plus B. अब कैसे B की वैल्यू निकालेंगे? Tell me. We will shift the 64 on the other side. Minus 64 equal B. So from here B equal how much? 36 centimeter. So how will you end up? Therefore, the other parallel side, therefore, the other parallel side equal 36 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay. Come to the question 3. In question 3, area of a trapezium is given and sum of the parallel side is given 122 centimeter. Sum of the parallel side. Sum of the parallel side means जो parallel sides, what we have taken it as A and B, or so here it is given sum of the parallel side means in दोनों का sum means A plus B value is given 122. And now the question is find the distance between two parallel sides, that is H you have to find out. So again we will follow the same procedure. Substitute all these values in the given formula. So it will come as 1586 equal half. अब देखिए this whole value A plus B is given. Okay, तो हम क्या करेंगे? Instead of this whole A plus B, we will substitute this value because some value is given. So it will come as 122 into H. Clear? Now you have to find out H. So H, how will you take it? H equal cross multiply 2 upon 122. Okay. Now cancel the terms. After cancelling the terms, अब इसको आप कैंसिल कीजिएगा टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ H. तो आपके पास H, यू विल सॉल्व 1586 अपॉन 61. इसको सॉल्व करके यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ H एंड देन एट द एंड यू विल राइट इट. देयरफॉर द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल साइड इज whatever answer you will get it. Is it clear? Okay. In question 4th, area of trapezium is given. One parallel side is 8, another parallel side is 60 decimeter and you have to find out the height. अब देखो ये decimeter है and the other things are given in the meter. So what will you do? आप क्या करेंगे? Decimeter को भी you will convert it in meter. So decimeter, so it will be 60 upon 10 meter. Okay, so now you will substitute the value. As I have told it over here also, you have to be very careful about the units. Now substitute the values. 28 half, A is given 8 plus 6 upon 10. 6 upon 10, you can write it as this is equals to 0.6 meter also. So, sorry, 6 meter also. So 6 ये cancel हो जाएगा. So 6 into H. So 28 half 14 into H, cross multiply 28 multiply 2 upon 14. Okay, now cancel it. आपका 7 and 4. So H you will get it as 4 meter. And then at the end, how will you complete it? Therefore, question में क्या पूछा है? In the question they have asked it, find the altitude. Altitude means perpendicular. Altitude or the perpendicular distance is same thing. Altitude means 90 degree. Okay. Therefore, here you will write it. Therefore, altitude of trapezium equal 4 meter. Is it clear? Now, come to the next question number 5. Now in question 5, area is given of trapezium and the parallel sides dimensions are given and you have to find out height. Same procedure, formula is there. substitute the values in the formula and then cross multiply it, you will get the height as 24 centimeter. Okay. Now, in question 6, it is area is given, height is given, and you have to find out the sum of the parallel side. Sum of the parallel side means क्या निकालना है आपको? A plus B की वैल्यू निकालनी है. Okay. Now, in this identity, again we will substitute the value. 12 equal half. A plus B you have to find out. So, you will keep it as it is into H. H is given 3. Clear? Now, from here, cross multiply it. 12 multiplied 2 equal A plus B into 3. ये आ जाएगा. Now, what will you do? इस 3 का क्या करेंगे? We will take it in the denominator. So, 12 into 2 upon 3 equal A plus B. Now, solve it. So, 4 into 2 equal A plus B. So, it means A plus B equal 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Now, the unit is meter. So, how will you end up? Therefore, sum of parallel sides of whose? Trapezium. Of trapezium equal 8 meter. I think you have got the concept parallel sides. You have got the concept of the area of a trapezium. So, what is the formula here? Half into sum of the parallel sides into height. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.